What's up, guys? Chris back, and we got Brave Turtle.
Hello.
I want y'all to see all this controlled burn. Like it's all through here. But today's Mother's Day, and I want to wish my mom a happy Mother's Day. It was good to at least get to text her. I didn't get the call though because I didn't have good signal. But we are about 9.5 miles into our day, and it's around 5 o'clock. So, getting pretty tired. Oh, look at this, guys. Ain't this crazy? This is the first time I've had a chance to walk through a controlled burn like this. I've seen a couple of them, but nothing this big. How about you? First time in a controlled burn area, kind of like this, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we've seen a couple, but nothing too major. But this is, I don't know. And the guidebook said that we was going to be going downhill from that from the shelter. That guidebook's wrong. We've been going straight up, so it's almost over. We're just gonna walk a little bit and try to find a water source, and then find a campsite from that. Check at this. It's all just burnt. So we don't know if it's I'm pretty sure it's just a controlled burn. It looks like it.
Yeah, it's even. There's the Tennessee Wildlife Management sign.
Was there?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's good. But with so many fires going on right now, you never know. Shenandoah got hit pretty hard, and Hot Springs, it got hit pretty hard. So you don't know if something's controlled or if something, you know, if it was an accident or even an arson. So. Alright, I'll put away the camera. I'll bring you guys back when we get to camp, kind of show you guys around camp. So, alright.